I'm getting. Ow! Didn't even touch you. Yes, it did. It landed on my phone. It's Derek in the face. Trying to hit there. It doesn't even. Ow! That was a good one. It doesn't even hurt. There. I'm not gonna get that. I'm gonna throw it on my feet right here. I'm still my first bag.
How many are there?
2 bags. A whole bunch in each bag. Pick it up and throw it. It kind of smokes when you put the ground.
Sometimes there's some duds.
Huh?
So sometimes there's some duds, so if you throw them, they won't go off. But even if you pick them up, still don't.
Throw in that bug. I almost hit that one.
Did I tell you guys have to sweep the driveway?
You're kidding me, right?
No?
So blow away. I'm going to go pop the rest of the road.
That's funny. I'm just kidding. You don't have to. But actually, it's probably a better idea to go do them in the road.
Yeah, just going to BAM!
Just be careful.